In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a full website in Siteground web hosting. We'll go through each step carefully so you can easily follow along, making sure your website is restored efficiently and without any hiccups. To get started, open up your web browser and navigate to Siteground's homepage. Siteground is known for its solid reputation in the web hosting space, providing robust tools for website management and excellent customer support. Once you're on their homepage, look towards the top right corner. You'll see the familiar login button there. Click on it to proceed. When you click login, you'll be prompted to enter your SiteGround account details. Make sure you have these on hand. Logging in will take you to your main account dashboard. From here, head over to the section labeled My SiteGround Account. This area is essentially your central hub where you can manage all your websites and access various tools offered by Siteground. Once you've made it to your account page, scroll down to locate your websites. Choose the one you need to restore and click on the Site Tools button. The Site Tools interface is where the real magic happens. It's equipped with everything you need to manage, optimize, and troubleshoot your website. Now that you're in the Site Tools dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Find and click on the option labeled Security. It's crucial to understand that maintaining a secure website is key, and Siteground offers backup options as part of its security tools. This ensures that all your data is protected and can be restored if needed. In the security section, look for the backups option. Click on it to proceed to where your website backups are stored. Here, Siteground provides detailed information about when each backup was created, allowing you to select the exact point you want to restore to. This feature is invaluable, especially when changes have occurred that you may wish to reverse. Next, you'll see a three-dot icon next to your backups list. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. Now you'll need to select Restore Databases from the drop-down menu that appears. Confirm your selection and Siteground will begin the restoration process for your website's databases. And that's it, you've now successfully initiated a full website restore using Siteground's web hosting tools. Remember, restoring a site can take a few minutes depending on the size of your databases, so be patient as the process completes. Once done, your website will revert to the state it was in at the time of the backup, offering you peace of mind and the ability to continue your work without disruption. Thanks for watching, and feel free to review these steps anytime you need assistance with website restoration on Siteground.